The URL Doctor's How to Create an Online Course Masterclass is a digital learning experience designed to give content creators the expert tips, practical tools, and best practices they need to build an online interactive course, create engaging video content, and curate a custom LMS learning platform for their audience. Using video-based learning modules, interactive training activities, and a ton of practical resources, we'll give you the tools to turn your existing training content or raw idea into a dynamic and interactive e-learning experience for your audience. I've been teaching and training the business community for over 30 years, and I've put everything I've learned about effective online learning into one course to give you the resources you need to become a master e-learning content creator. So take your content creation to new heights with the URL Doctor's How to Create an Online Course Masterclass.